got stuck in the rain, guys. We're stuck and we can't even see the fucking road rage.
And it's not just any type of rain, guys.
Yeah, and there was a fucking idiot that just like sprayed water all over the car.
Dogs, man.
Just flooded the fucking car
The
with
clouds
water.
are full. They're full with water. So they're letting go. They're letting go. Let it go.
Just like me when I was sleeping one time and I let go. Not the hell.
To be honest, bro, I think they should put exhaust pipes on top of the fucking car. So that way water doesn't get inside of it. But like aim it that way. Like aim it up and then go like that. So because if it's low at the bottom of the car and a lot of water can get up inside there and flood the engine. You can get water inside this shit. Fuck, man. We gotta drive slow, nigga. It's fucking raining as shit out here. And Elmer's an idiot. He doesn't want to get new windshield wipers on his car. This fucking dumbass over here. Look at this. Look at this fucking dumbass over here, guys.
Put the sunglasses, please. Come on, give me the axe.
That's because I'm a fucking badass. Shut up!
Elmer thinks he's a bad. He just thinks he's a badass.
I'm still a fucking dog.
He thinks he's a badass.
Hell, man.
He said, shut up.
Shut up, man! Hey, where'd y'all put my balls? Okay, y'all better wait. Nah, my balls are not in my ass.
Tuck them in there, bitch.
My balls are in the trunk.
Why you're always being so...
Why am I always being what? Why am I always being what?
moody?
Bitch, I'm not moody. I'm happy as shit. What are you talking about? You're the one that's always moody. You're like,
that's
guys, I'm bored.
That's because Cody finally got dick. That's why he's not moody.
What the hell? Nah, I got Donald Trump's dick. Nah, the fuck. Fuck that nigga.
Fuck through my eyes.
Oh, shit.
That shit is fucked.
We're gonna smoke one
Fuck
later.
politicians.
What the fuck? Politician.
Parents, the windows cannot be open. No smoking allowed in the car.
Oh my god, Becky. Oh, yeah, Becky. What the fuck?
Check it out, guys. I got a new hairstyle.
What the hell? He thinks he's got a new hairstyle.
Well, I'm testing to see which one looks better on me. And I love my ball more than I do this.
Yeah, he's got it braided
Give
now.
me the ox.
He got a ponytail.
Cody, Cody, give me the ox.
Miriam's a little bitch. What the hell? He got put on a Spanish station. That shit got put on a Spanish station. What the fuck? We're
We
not.
are Hispanics. Got a problem with that?
I am not a Spanish speaking dude.
Elmer.
You're fucking whores.
Yeah, man, leave him alone, man. Leave the junior Donald Trump alone. Not the fuck.
I am not Junior Donald. I don't even have blonde hair. I don't even have fake blonde hair.
Well, Cody used to have.
We all know Donald Trump's hair is fake. We all know it, guys. We all know his hair is fake.
I'm not pulling you.
He's totally wearing a toupee. He's probably got like one of those old man hairstyles where it's like bald in the middle and got shaved like hair on the sides, and he has to wear a toupee to to cover up his bald spot.
And then covered up with pubes.
Yeah, what the fuck? Yeah, Donald Trump's hair, his toupee's probably made out of pube hairs. I'm pretty sure it is. That's probably why it sticks up so much. It's so thick. It's so thick and coarse.
Right.
It's like horse hair. I mean, it's really thick. And that shit's pretty funny.
So should we tell them about our plans or no?
Security, guys.
All right, guys. So, spring break's coming up pretty soon. So, we might go camping, guys. It's gonna be dope.
I'm not sure exactly where. We might go to Dinosaur Valley again.
We're trying.
Up to the max.
We're still trying to get a camper, guys.
Yeah, we're trying to get a camper.
So that way, we're comfortable and
We'll have a place to sleep.
we're fully prepared for it.
We're gonna have to get a tow bar.
Camp outside.
We're definitely gonna need a tow bar for the car though, to be able to put a trailer on this bitch. I mean, Elmer's car should be able to pull a tow bar. I mean, it's got a 2.7 liter engine, I think, so it should be strong enough.
We might change cars.
I think the max payload on your car is 3,000 something pounds, so it should be able to pull a trailer.
We might
If it
change
can pull
cars,
me, it can
though.
pull.
I know, right?
We're planning to change our car pretty soon.
Of course, we probably have to get a smaller
Oh,
trailer
yeah.
though. Yeah, bro, you should get a truck.
Right.
Yeah, but that's the thing about trucks though, they eat
expensive
gas.
as fuck too.
They eat gas like crazy though. Unless you get one with a multi-transmission and a
The whole reason why we don't get a truck is because of me.
and you get
I'm a
one with
little
sports
person.
mode. Because if you turn off sports mode, it doesn't waste as much gas.
The whole reason why we don't get a truck.
You can
is
put it in
because-
4-wheel drive and pull a fucking trailer and everything.
Hey! I'm just kidding.
What's up, bitch?
The whole reason why we don't get a truck is because of me, a little person.
Yeah, Natalie
Right
doesn't
here.
like driving big trucks.
I'm 5'3", not 5'7".
Miriam doesn't know how to drive shit.
No hay verificación de crédito.
What the hell?
Licencia y prepaid tiene planes para todos, hasta
Oh
para el que te
no!
empuja
Joe,
siempre.
make a video here. Ah.
That's a bloopers.
Yeah, that's gonna be a lot of
Move
fucking.
your legs, man.
Look, I love bloopers, guys, and I know you enjoy them too, so we're gonna put them at the
My
end.
nose.
Hey, go
What the hell?
Right here. Right here.
What?
Right here.
I gotta put gas first.
No, go right here first.
I don't want to get stranded in the middle of the driveway, Miriam. Or the
Hey, let's get. We're still gonna get tattoos or what?
I don't even know, bro.
We should get tattoos. Hey, guys from YouTube, we're gonna try to get tattoos. We don't know when though. We might get one tonight. We might get one tomorrow night. We might get one next week. We might get one like in a million years. We don't
Elmer
know.
said he's been wanting tattoos, but it looks like he's never gonna want to.
I want a tattoo so fucking bad, dude.
He said he wanted a Momentum Marie or something like that.
I am totally ready for a tattoo, guys. Let's get a tattoo tonight. Let's get a little bitty one, like little bitty ones like this, little bitty teeny ones. It's like what, like $50, like a little bitty one. Get like a little tiny one.
Move,
I never got no money, guys. I'm broke right
Go right
now.
here. Go right here.
Y'all have to pay for mine, 'cause I'm broke.
Marianne, we've been empty since like freaking Cody's house.
We're going to Burger King, guys. We're going to Burger King.
Miriam, come down.
We're going to eat. We're going to eat meat. We're going to eat lots of meat, guys. We're going to put lots of meat in our stomachs.
Huh?
I love putting meat in my mouth. No, I'm playing.
Who are you talking
I do actually enjoy putting meat in my mouth, but not that kind of meat.
Earl Campbell, Cody's calling you.
Bro, that truck look ghetto-ish.
Hi, little mama. Excited to meet you.
Damn, that's a nice ass truck
Nice
over
to
there.
meet you, girl.
Calm your titties, sir.
Calm down.
All my dudes looking
Hit me up. I'm just kidding.
Hit me up on 1,364 million subscribers, because that's what we want. We need that shit for right now, baby. So let's get a taxi and get the fuck out of here and go to Mexico. Let's take a taxi to Mexico, guys. We're gonna go to Mexico.
Four Corners.
We're going to Mexico.
What the fuck is that?
No, we're not going to Mexico. We might go to Mexico. We don't know yet.
Corners, Miriam.
We should go to
Four
Cuba.
Corners, Miriam. Come on.
Yes, Four Corners. Let's go tonight. Let's go to Four
Really?
Corners tonight.
It's a
You don't
historical
remember?
marker, Miriam.
Let's go to Four Corners tonight.
That's not the corner you
Do
stand
you
at.
not remember
the hell?
the
Doesn't
movie?
say historical marker.
Do you not remember Vacation of the
Really?
Four Corners?
See that there? Oh man,
Ugh.
I got one.
What the hell? Like little droplets of rain like hitting right there.
I can hear it.
Oh goodness, this shit sounds weird as hell.
I don't want to video you because I'm with people. You know,
It's a
these
lot of
motherfuckers
guys
crazy.
and they will.
Damn guys, look at the freaking rain. You can see that shit pretty hard right now.
Alright,
coming down pretty hard, guys.
I'll be right back.
How much?
Coming down pretty hard, guys.
All my X points.
What the hell? You're not gonna be able to get shit with its points.
Look, bitch, don't disturb my dreams.
Tony,
Right?
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna fucking send you the freaking video of us rock climbing.
Oh yeah,
put it
send me
on
that
YouTube.
shit. Send me that shit. We went rock climbing at It's, guys. We looked ghetto and stupid as fuck, but it was fun.
Babe, people.
I
are
almost
allowed
made it to the
wear
top. I was so freaking close, guys. I was so freaking close, guys. I was this freaking close. Well, not that close, but I was pretty damn close though.
Oh, never mind. Already closed.
What?
The gas station's closed?
No, Dunkin' Donuts.
No! I want Dunkin' Donuts.
They closed at 9.
You know where it's open 24/7?
Wow.
The airport.
Oh, shit.
But they ain't got no donuts though.
Yeah, they do.
They got donuts?
There's a Dunkin' Donuts at C22.
Yeah, but Cody doesn't have a badge for the airport.
Yeah, I ain't got a
Fucking
bad.
joint.
Don't be talking about drugs in our videos, bitch!
Dang.
We don't do drugs, guys. They're the stoners.
Guys, I think I'm gonna show you how Miriam looks. I'm gonna show you how Miriam looks to me
Oh
on a
god,
video.
this girl's back there grinding up her stuff.
Cody,
What?
I'm gonna show you how Miriam looks on this video. She reminds me of this girl right here.
We should not be promoting drugs in our videos, you sons of bitches. What happened?
Yeah, man, we're sorry, little kids.
Miriam?
Sorry.
Yeah. Do not do drugs. These idiots, they do
Miriam?
drugs, but y'all don't have to follow their example. What?
Cody, Miriam reminds me of this thing right here. Look.
She won't answer you. Or she can't.
Why not?
This is the way it's been since she started smoking pot. She's all lazy and boring and... You know, we used to have so much fun together.
That's totally Miriam.
And now?
That's Miriam now,
This is
guys.
what we do.
Or what?
That is totally Miriam.
Lindsay?
Shut up.
And Edgar.
Yeah, I know.
What?
Look. This is Edgar.
Oh,
I wish you didn't smoke weed.
Yeah.
Bitch, shut the fuck up, bro.
you're not
Same when you smoke. And I miss my friend.
Why? We'll beat you
I'll be
up.
outside.
the hell? Dude.